the big muddy bends and the barges roll. 15 empties locked in 9, 15 miles to go. Cooks in the galley at 4 a.m. slinging eggs and pride. Feeds the hands that feed the nation, keeps the fire inside. Deckhand on the headwind, cutting like a blade. 2-inch line around the timber head, every knot of prairie's made. Diesel man in the engine room, black oil to his elbows. Listens to the heartbeat of the diesels, feels it in his soul. These are the legends of the river, nameless kings of current and steel. They give their years, their backs, their hearing, for the load that never yields. When the whistle blows at midnight, and the searchlight cuts the dawn, some other son is standing watch with a river in his heart. Captain talks the tow through, locks voice steady as the wall. Maid walks the barges in the rain, one slip and he falls. Radar watcher in the green glow, fog thick as a grave. Steers 15 dreams on a hawser every mile the river gave.